This is the process alarm. And what is the consequence here? We will take the same B. And what is the severity we have taken? If you are not able to medium, right?
Yeah.
But this severity, how it to decide actually? Why is the medium? How it is decided?
See, no,
Based
here
upon the.
if you see the cost here, in the cost here, we have to go in the table. I think this is a good question. Since you are new, I will tell you. You have to go here, and this is 2.
6 by
This
6
is 2.
matrix.
Yeah, this is 2, and 2 is a minor here. But as per minor here, minor is a medium. Here, minor is medium here. So that
What is the
your
column?
confusion.
What is the column heading there? Minor, medium. What is the column heading?
See, this is severity level.
Severity. Okay.
Severity level of this one. The severity 2 is a minor here.
Yes.
Right? And
Yes.
this minor to be read here is a medium. In the alarm rationalization.
It is medium.
Yeah.
Because if you go to if you go with the urgency immediate and the severity as a medium, no, everything come as a P1.
Yes, sir.
This is what we just discussed also.
Yeah, of course.
I think it will be
I
P1,
mean,
I think.
medium, immediate here,
We
immediate
need to check
urgency,
there.
and medium is a P1. So this is my worry, because ultimately we are going for P1. We don't have response time, much response time. So probably after this alarm rationalization, when we are going to do, the checking of percentage, the P1 should not go more than 5% as per the system, right? So this is what we discussed with Guru also, that we have to be very, very careful while selecting the severity, because this is not hedge, this is alarm rationalization. But we have to see the realistic concern and realistic time band. Here,
right.
What we cannot do, we cannot change the time, because response time you have already qualified process.
Yeah. This is the time is based on the size of the equipment.
Yes,
so
yes.
Cannot do anything on that.
Yes. So that is why we do not have much.
So which means that if the operator is not able to take the action within 5 minutes, the trip will happen.
Yes.
Yes.
So this is why you may see the more P1, but we'll see. I mean, once we do entire section.
But this is a